there's another way motor mounts are done, and this is one of the popular ones, so it's worth covering. And it may be in the kits at some point. We're constantly changing suppliers. So the cross motor mount works like this. It takes a motor like this, and instead of having this sort of very convenient round shaft that you slide into a mount, it presents a flat surface into which you're going to screw this cross mount like that eventually. Okay, and then there's 4 screws that you can see right here that will be screwed in to attach it, and then you attach these to the motor, the L mount that we're making right now. All right, that said, so the easiest way to do this is to not do it with the motor on. You take this cross mount, and in the obvious way, you put it on the drill, and just drill here, 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 and here on the outside ones, and then you have yourself the relevant holes for attaching this motor mount, and then you just zip tie it up like we will with the other one. All right, so that's what's going on there, and then the thing and the way these go together is once you've drilled those holes, go ahead and attach it. These holes, believe it or not, are not symmetric, so that's the right orientation. But if you rotate it 90 degrees, you'll find out they don't fit anymore, because for some reason they're designed in such a way so that there's only 2 possible orientations instead of 4. All right, so just rotate it 90 degrees if the holes aren't lining up, and then you just take the screw, and you might want to put some thread lock on this to help keep it all together. They can tend to vibrate loose. First one's always the hardest. Not that it's particularly hard, but all right. I'm not going to bother with thread lock right now because this is one of my demo ones. Don't use permanent thread lock. You'll never get them out. Use the releasable thread lock. Okay. I think the higher quality motors tend to use this mount. I don't know if that's true, but I did just sort of an intuition. I think this is the Axi mount. But, all right, there we go. So that's it. Attach, and then we'll go and attach this to that with this zip ties there, 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 and there. And then when the holes have been drilled attached to the deck, but it's a demo piece. All right, so that's that. Those are the 2 major classes of motor mounts that we're going to be dealing with. And that should cover anything that you see in the wild from what you've bought.